Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you great information that how you can by self do this our Lexus cars remote keys battery replace. And now I have in here really three type of these Lexus keys and also spare part battery and also tools what we need that job. Okay, and then when we start this battery replace, we have to do couple of things because we have different types of keys, and now I have two type of Lexus keys and they open a little bit different way, and let's go to look closer. Okay, and really this is really interesting job to do because this we have in two type of these Lexus smart keys, and it seems that this one is made in Japan, and then we have this another country, maybe in USA or some another countries keys, but what looks similar, but they are different. And let's start this original, what is the best one. This is made by Tokai Rika. This is Japanese company, and we open that battery so that firstly we press this small bits in here, that in this way in here, and we can use our fingers, and then same time we pull out this, and this can be to be a little bit tight, this key. And this is really door key, you can open door. And after that is the trick number 2. We have to slide in this back area. Look, there is no any dent in here. We move that area in this way. Look, it's like slides away, and this is interesting. This like moves away, and there are small rails in this side area and these areas in here. When we look, this is the thing, and this works really different way. It's like slides away this thing, and then when we install the back, there is even small dent, and then I only press that in here. Look, so interesting in this way, and it don't go away when it is in this position. We move in this way and now it opens. And then we have next area, there are small Phillips head screws, and now we have to purchase these very thin Phillips head screwdrivers. If we have this standard, what is in this Walmart Phillips head, this is too big. This is too big. We need smaller one. And now we can look even closer that what is this size difference. This tool costs about $2 to $5 per piece. Okay, and now we can see that this is really critical thing, that when you are planning to replace that you have very thin head this Phillips head screwdriver, because otherwise we can damage and broke these small screws, and then we have bigger issue. Because this Lexus remote key, this cost $500 or euros. This is really expensive, this original one, the best one. This is not copy, all parts are made to last 20 years. And now this tool is too big, and I remove that, and when we have this small, this is like 1 millimeter thickness Phillips head, this we press that in here, and opening direction is anti-clockwise in that way, in this way. And we can even look closer that how important this tool is. Okay, now we can see that very well. And in here, when I install this my tool, and then I rotate that in this way. Now this small screw opens, and this my tool is even magnetic, and it keeps that in position. And if you like to use similar this my screwdriver, there is this type. This is made in Germany. Bernstein is this type, and there is this Phillips head logo in here. This is good, and we can purchase this from internet, and there is also a little bit different type. This is like a flathead, and there is the sides, and this is also Bernstein, and there is this type. But this is a little bit, this is flathead. And there is this type 402, and this Phillips head is 428 is this type. Okay, and then we go forward. Okay, and then when we continue that job, I really take this my Phillips head screwdriver, and this is first screw, and then I open next one. There is four of these in here. And the third one, and then final screw in here. Okay, excellent. And after that, this door cap hat opens. There is even logo, and there is type that what is this battery type. There is even stamp in here. Excellent. Toyota's and Lexus quality. And there is then this our battery, and idea is that there is small slot in here, and when I move that in up, battery opens nicely. And look, there is nice rubber gasket. This is original battery. It is water resistant little bit. And after that we need to go purchase new battery, and there is this type CR1632, and maker is Varta, and Varta is good company from Germany, good quality, and there are two of these, and we can purchase these batteries from internet, or then we can go to purchase this battery from Toyota and Lexus spare part desk, and they will sell this battery. This costs about $5 per piece. And remember to use high quality batteries. Do not use any non-brands made in China batteries, because weak battery can open and it leaks this poisons inside in this remote key, and this remote key cost really $500. This is so excellent made Toyota's and Lexus key, and that's use only high quality batteries, and high quality batteries are Varta and then Sony and Panasonic batteries, what I can recommend. And then when we install this battery pack, this is now new one. I replaced that in yesterday, and I installed that in here. Remember, it goes in sideways. This is the thing. Do not install in that way. Do not dump that, because it can go broken. There's a small dent in this area, and we have to install that in just in like this sideways 45 degrees, and then we only press this area a little bit with thumb, and it goes nicely in here. This is the trick. And then this cover goes only in one way. Do not install in this way. It goes in that way, and then we install this screws back. One, and this, and there is my Phillips head screwdriver. and like very gentle we close. Do not use too much force because we can damage these screws and also this plastic body. Good, and then in final one. In here. Okay, and now everything is okay, and next step is to test this my battery. That we have to see this small red light in here. Look, in this area. This must be in here. Good, everything works well. And that means now that we test all our buttons, that all of these must work. If you have 3 or 4 buttons, check that everything is working. And if you have any issue, then you have to go to purchase new key from Toyota dealership center. You can also try to open this part, but it is a little bit difficult. But if you have original Toyota's key, these last like 20 years. And then after that, when everything is fine, we install this cover back, and this goes not in that way. It goes only so that we look first these sides, and it goes starting from here. When I slide that in here, look, and this is like just it start to go, and then it goes nicely, and then I only press that in here, and final part is that we listen this sound. Okay, excellent. And then only key back, and also remember this sound. Okay, and now this Lexus key has been replaced. Then we have also this made in maybe USA or in China copy, and there is different type, because now we open this key in that way, and there is small dent in here. Very interesting dent. It can be in your car, and there is purpose that we rotate that in this way. And then this cover like opens a different way. Now it opens in that way, we look that is in here, and then we can use some flathead screwdriver and carefully bend that in this way. Here. And now it opens, and note that this engineering is different. This is not so nice and modern like in this Japanese Tokarika. But in here we have possibilities to replace this remote keys, because this part opens. But this product, this is like different way made, and please check that which one you have. And in here we can see that there is same battery, but in here this opening is little bit different. We again need sharp head tool, and little bit carefully there is 1, 2, 3 small plastic dents, and carefully when we bend this opens, and now it even flies away. And also in here use similar Varta battery and check this code, number code, that it is same like in your new battery. Check that these numbers are same, and in this type you install this battery now so that it goes in here, and you press only with your finger in here, because there is 1, 2, 3 of these small dents. And finally check that it is like same plane with the circuit board in that way. And now it's nicely, and then when we can even rotate that, and there is 3 buttons, and when we press that, check that this light blinks in here. Excellent, that button second, and third one in here up. Excellent, everything works fine. And next step is that I install this circuit board in here, and this goes really in one way, only one way. Check that these two buttons are in here, and in that area these two buttons are in here. If we install it wrongly, we can damage this circuit board. And this, if you damage this your circuit board, you can go to visit in Toyota dealership center and they will sell new key to you, but this key needs reprogramming. There is small computer CPU unit in here, and this device, it must to be programmed because this key has been connected to Lexus cars, this main key computer, and there must to be information that this code's number is located also inside in Lexus cars, this computer. And now when everything is okay, final part is to install this key back, and in this area this goes now this type that I installed that in here, little bit in sideways, and then I press this key with my thumbs and that it makes this sound. And test also again that there is this light. Okay, yes, there is this light. It was only so weak in here. Yes, this is now working. I check that. Please check all of these things. Yes, everything works. Okay, cool. And then final part is to install this key back in here, and it goes nicely in that way. And now this key it has been changed. And then we have final part. If you have this Lexus credit card key, this is like excellent wallet credit card thin part. There is battery in this area, and this is also I slip that away, and there is this battery nicely, and there is a little bit bigger battery in here in that spare part key, and this is like a CR2412, and this is like Panasonic battery. And really install this your key battery in same way back, and this battery is mandatory because this key makes wireless this network, and using this device there is no any buttons, but we can connect this device to this cabin areas start and press start and stop button, and then our car starts. And now I close that thing in this way, and now this key is ready for use. Okay, that kind of information to you, my friend, and I believe that you have now learned something new, and see you in next movie.